Want to know how to make an AI agent create a summary table? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website, and once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT that is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, in order to make an AI agent, just simply open up your AgentGPT and make sure you're under the deployment right here. And now you can just simply name the agent anything. So I'm just going to name it summary table maker, and on the bold just simply write in this. And now once you're back in this, just simply select enter. So instead of a sample text, you can also write any text that you want to summarize, and once that is done, it should summarize you text or anything in a tabular format. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.